Bharti ma'am is here again. So I'm going to take you to a field trip now to learn about different types of plants. Come with me. So look around you. You'll find a variety of plants. Some are trees, some are shrubs or bushes, there are herbs, and then there are creepers and climbers. Hi all. So talking about different types of plants, right? So here I am. Look at the roots of this plant. They're strong and they've gone deep into the soil, right? Look at the roots, my God. And then look at the thick woody stem that's branching out right there. And look at the height, the size of the plant. A tall plant, thick woody stem, thick strong roots, gone deep into the soil. So this plant qualifies to be a tree. Okay, now trees are our best friends. We must hug them every single day and thank them for everything that they give us. Here, I'm hugging a tree. Make sure that you hug every tree that you come across. Thank you. So trees are big plants with thick woody stem called trunk. They have strong roots and they live for many years. You must have seen around mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree, isn't it? Hi all. So here I am again with another variety of plants, another type I must say. These are, just observe the stem of the plant. It's thin but woody. Thin woody stem and it's branching out very close to the ground. Can you see? It's branching out very close to the ground. So these are called shrubs. They are not so tall like trees. Unlike trees, they're slightly shorter in height. Okay? So these are shrubs. Okay? Remember that. Shrubs are also known as bushes. They are not as tall as trees. They have thin woody stem that starts branching very close to the ground. Shrubs also live for many years. Hibiscus, rose and lemon are a few examples. Now look at this picture. It shows the difference between a shrub and a tree. Look at the stem and look from where it started branching out. You'll know the difference between the two. So here is another type of a plant. These are called herbs. So grass actually qualifies to be a herb because they have got very soft and green stem. Okay, very easy to break as you can see. Okay, soft and green stem and very easy to uproot also actually. So these are herbs and they don't have much life. They survive for maybe a few months to a year at the most. Okay, so soft green stem, easily breakable stem. This is the property of a herb. Okay, grass qualifies to be a herb. All right. So herbs are the plants that are small in size. They're short in height. They have green soft stem and they do not live for more than a year. You must have seen your mother cleaning up dhania, pudina, etc. for chutney. All these are herbs. Many herbs have got medicinal properties too. You could try growing some herbs at home in some small pots. Hi all. So this is another type of plant that I found. Look at this. It's creeping along the ground, isn't it? So these are called creepers. Look at them. And some of the creepers, they turn into climbers like this. Look at them. Once they find some support and they start climbing up. Look at them. Look at this stem. It's very thin and weak. And it always looks for some kind of support from outside. And once it finds the support, it goes up. So it's climbing up. Because it climbs up, that's why it's called a climber. And those which creep along the ground are called creepers. Okay? Remember the stem. It's thin and it's weak. So friends, creepers and climbers are like twin brothers. Both have got very thin and weak stem and they cannot stand on their own. While creepers creep on the ground, climbers climb up. Have you ever seen a pumpkin, watermelon or a muskmelon creeper? All these fruits are so heavy, aren't they? That's the reason why these plants creep on the ground. Have you noticed a pea plant or a money plant or a grapevine? It looks for a support. And the moment it finds one, it twines itself around that support and climbs up. It's observation time now. Take out your magnifying glass, go to a nearby garden and observe a tulsi plant, a banana plant and a creeper. Also the size of the fruit of a creeper. And now, try and answer these questions. Is tulsi plant a herb or a shrub? Can we call a banana plant a tree? And if not, why? Why do you think the creepers creep on the ground and not climb up? Well, happy exploring, happy learning. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye.